Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful adventure through the spicy and savory flavors of Gong Bao Chicken, a beloved Sichuan dish known for its bold taste and numbing sensation from Sichuan peppercorns. Origin story: Gong Bao Chicken, also known as Kung Pao Chicken, was named after Ding Beijin, a 19th century Sichuan governor. His title, Gong Bao, or Palace Guardian, lent the dish its name, which has since become synonymous with spicy and aromatic flavors. Ingredients list. For this authentic recipe, you will need chicken breast, 500 grams, cubed, dried red chilies, 10 to 12, cut into halves, Sichuan peppercorns, 1 tablespoon, roasted peanuts, 1/2 cup, scallions, 6, chopped, garlic, 5 cloves, minced, fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons, minced, soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons, granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons, corn flour, 2 tablespoons, sesame oil, 1 teaspoon, vegetable oil for frying, salt and pepper to taste. Recipe: marination. Marinate the chicken pieces in a mixture of 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, and 1 tablespoon corn flour for about 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the chicken to tenderize. Recipe: frying. Heat vegetable oil in a wok or large pan over high heat. Add dried red chilies and Sichuan peppercorns until they start to release their aromas and turn slightly dark. Add the marinated chicken and stir fry until nearly cooked, about 5 to 7 minutes. Recipe: the sauce. In the same pan, add minced garlic, ginger, and half of the scallions. Stir fry until aromatic, about 1 minute. Mix in the remaining soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, sugar, and a splash of water to create the sauce, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Combining. Return the chicken to the pan, add roasted peanuts, and stir well to coat everything in the sauce. Cook until the sauce thickens and the chicken is well coated, about 2 to 3 minutes. Serving suggestion: garnish with the remaining scallions and a drizzle of sesame oil. Serve hot with steamed rice or noodles to soak up the flavorful sauce. Fun fact: Gong Bao chicken is often modified outside of China to be less spicy, but traditional recipes embrace the heat, making it a staple dish for spice lovers. The numbing sensation from Sichuan peppercorns adds a unique dimension to the dish, making it a true culinary experience. Tips and variations. For a vegetarian version, substitute chicken with firm tofu or tempeh. To adjust the spice level, add more or fewer dried red chilies. Experiment with different types of nuts or seeds, such as cashews or sesame seeds, for added texture and flavor.